Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you are managing teams using Odoo timesheets and want to track how efficiently your employees are logging billable time, then this video is for you. Today, we are diving into a powerful feature, billing rates and leaderboards in Odoo. Will not only define everything clearly, but we will also walk through a real example using three employees, Winky, Pinky, and Tinky. By the end of this video, you'll all be able to configure billing targets, monitor performance, and motivate your team, all from inside Odoo. Let's grab a coffee and get started the video. Before we dive in, let's understand why billing rate tracking is so important. In service-based businesses, time directly impacts revenue, and without visibility into how much of the time is actually billable, you could be losing money. That's where Odoo's billing rate indicators come in the picture. They allow you to set clear monthly targets for each employee and instantly track how close they are to reaching those goals. It helps you answer, are employees logging enough hours on billable work? Are we meeting our service efficiency targets? So, if you haven't download timesheet application, so you can directly go in the apps and download. So I have downloaded, so that's the reason I'm opening here. So the indicators appears right in the My Timesheet dashboard as logged billable time oblique monthly target. As you are looking this one, billing is 8 and out of 160. So what is this 160 is monthly target, which is assigned to an employee. We will do this configuration later. You can easily get to know how we will configure all those things. And plus a progress percentage, which is stating now here, highlighted in green when the target is met. So according to this 160, if it is getting met, then this will be in green color. If it is in red, that means it is in below the target. So this is a simple, visual, and powerful for boosting productivity and billing accuracy. So let's start the workflow. So now I have to go into the timesheets and configuration, then settings. Once you enter in the settings, there is a option billing. So you can write down here like this. Otherwise, you can directly go there. So I have to check this box. Once I enable, I have to save it. Once I save here, now let's assign targets to employees. So I can go to the employees by clicking on set employee billable time target, or otherwise you can directly move into the employees module. So I'm taking this breadcrumb and moving into the employees. So three employees I'm going to create here now. So I am moving to create one uh, Pinky. This is an employee here. So now in the setting, I am giving a target. So Pinky target is 140 hours. Okay. And hourly cost, I'm giving 200 rupees. Okay. And then I'm saving. Next, I am moving to create the one more employee, Pinky. Okay, so moving into the setting here, I am giving 160-hour target and this hourly cost 300. Okay, so after I'm saving and moving to the new employee, Tinky. And this in setting, I am 120 hours per month. I set this target, then 100 this hourly cost. So make sure you choose the right encoding method, either hours or days. So for choosing the encoding method, you have to go into the setting and see here time encoding. So either you have to choose hours or minutes or days or half days. So I choose in here hours. So just now I have completed the creating the employees. Now after opening the timesheet application, I am adding those employees here. So add a line. Now assigning any project here. So project is SMR goal project here. So in this project, Winky. So once I click, okay. So how much Winky spent in a day? So on 30 July, he spent 8 hours. Now I just save and close. Same thing I wanted to did with other employee as well. So goal project and then here Pinky. Yes, Pinky also spent 8 hours. I saved here, then add a line, goal project, and then move to the Tinky, and then 8 hours. So I added 3 employees here. So now as I added the projects to the our employees, Pinky, Tinky, and one more. So I'm adding the other projects as well as usually employees works in multiple projects. So I am moving in the Pinky here and adding the SMR project here. So this date is I'm changing because 8 hours I'm adding here. So I added the project here. Let's move into the Tinky and add the project SMR project. And date is 29, work is 8 hours. Again, in Winky, same SMR project here. So time spent is 8 hours and also date is 29. So after all, we know how to add the projects in the employees, but basically we have to know how to create the project as well. So that's the reason I am moving into the project application here. So I am making here one project. The project name is like silver project. I am giving here. So it should be billable and just I'm creating this project. So, so once I create the project, there are stages. So like project status, we can consider like this. So this is in start stage. So that's I'm adding here start, and this is in progress. We can consider. So this is near to complete, we can consider like this, and then here end or success we can mention. So these stages, so once I take like this, so any task, just developing a basically a task. So I given this task. So what I have to do, like I can change its status as well. So it is done. So I can easily move into the end here. So like this, you can uh, give the different tasks. You can manage the different tasks into the one projects. So now I am moving into the timesheet only because we are we are discussing about timesheet. So all timesheets here. So I am assigning the uh, timesheet silver project also to the employees. So silver project, okay. So this project we can add the 28 day, 8 hours. Uh, I just click here and then Tinky also silver project and date is 28, 8 hours spent, and then Winky, silver project, uh, then 28 days, 8 hours spent in a day, save and close. So now, after adding the projects into the employees, like whatever we did, Tinky has worked in multiple projects that we added. One more thing we have to make sure in adding all these things here, like I'm taking this SMR project here, I have to allocate it the time 160 hours. This is overall hours which has been allocated to that project. Like if all employees working more than 160 hours, that means like it will not in the green green letters. It will take in like uh red letters, something like this. That means it is taken over. So after this, after allocation of the hours to the project, and also adding all projects to the employee. Now the time to increase or add the hours to the project. Like let's say example here, Pinky. Pinky is worked 8 hours in July 16, 17, 18, and also 21, then 30. So like this, I added the hours to get to know how many hours Pinky worked. So Pinky worked 150 hours and Tinky 100 hours and Winky 170 hours. So after this, we will check in my timesheet. So now in the my timesheet dashboard, on the top right, you all see the leaderboard section here. So it also shows your own status under the leaderboard. For example, you are Tinky and you have worked this much of hours. You can click the leaderboard. So I'm clicking here and to expand, why you have to click on the leaderboard to expand and view the full team performance either by billing rate or total log time. So total log time here and billing rate is here. So according to the timeline, how much they have worked, it is getting stated like this. And also other employees who work less than that also getting displayed here. So if you uh, so how getting this is getting appear in billing rate leaderboard, we have to understand that as well. So I am moving into the projects here. So taking any project like goal project, in setting, there is a sales and invoicing. In sales and invoicing, you have to make sure it has to check billable and also bill manually. If you check or tag the not billable, that means that project entire work of that project will be not get billable. That means it will be not get calculated in the, it is getting appear in all time sheets, my time sheet. So it will be once you click on the billable, then only this that project will be get calculated and all employees according to their timeline will be get highlighted here. So you can click on the total time leaderboard as well. So total work hours or working hours, you can consider all these things. Now here's as a bonus as well. Odoo also displays daily motivational tips next to the leaderboard. These are random tips like small progress is still progress, focus on billable tasks first, like this. So how you can even customize these tips, directly go to the customize and you can add anyone like good work or anything as you wanted to edit. I'm saving here. This can be easily tagged. So where it will be get appear in my timesheet, there is a just now we created and it is getting appear good work. So whatever you will give randomly, it will be get appear here like we applied, and also we got here. So now the time to conclusion. So that's how billing rate indicators and leaderboard work inside Odoo's timesheet app. With just a few clicks, you can boost team productivity, set realistic targets, and create a transparent performance culture. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have questions or need a tutorial on any other Odoo feature, drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.